and welcome back to another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. Today we're eating a cocktail from El Siete Mares. And this cocktail comes with all the vegetables and shrimp. And the only thing that I did added was some avocado. Oh no, my shrimp are sinking in. To save those. And it comes with some crackers, some tapatio, and some lemon. Now let's dig in, shall we? So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it like this without tampering with it. So let's get some caldito. So good. Now let's go ahead and add a little bit of lemon. Could taste the clamato. Yummy. And a little bit of tapatio. Wow, how do you open this thing? Try another one. It's not open. They're so hard to open. Oh wow. Now off to number 2. I think oh! Whoa! I did get that open. So that's better. A little bit more lemon. And let's mix it all up. Get some avocado now because I love avocado. That was perfect. Yummy. The shrimps are so good. Everything is delicious. Nice and flavorful. Now, how you shall really eat your cocktail. How it was meant to be eaten. So good. I really enjoy eating my cocktail with the cracker and the shrimp in every bite. It's like one of my favorite ways to eat a cocktail. It's just so delicious. Yummy. It's like the cracker and the shrimp were definitely meant for each other. So good. Definitely there's no better way to eat a cocktail. My avocado doesn't want to stay aboard. Oh well. This time I'll make sure my avocado goes on board. That is just so amazingly delicious. I'm so sorry. The cracker dust went in my throat and I just had to cough. Hope I don't choke. By eating her favorite shrimp in her favorite way. The best way you could possibly have it. Forgot my avocado. Oh no. Gotta have it in every bite. It's these you have to be careful with. Whoa, that's a big avocado. And there goes my shrimp. Yummy. Now we're coming to the end of our cocktail. Drop that one down. No more avocado, but a little tiny piece. So that's it for this video. We still have one more cracker and no more shrimp. We'll just have our cracker with the juice and some veggies. Delicious. So there you have it, food freaks. A cocktail from El Siete Mares. So good. That's it for today, food freaks. Bye bye. Till next time we eat again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.